recording. Okay, so today's topic is place value. I'll be sharing the Microsoft whiteboard. Let me know if you can see it.
I can see it.
Okay, thank you very much. Where's the place value? Yeah, there it is. So let me write something in the beginning. You don't have to understand it right now, but I'll kind of explain it a little bit later. Place value helps us understand value or the worth of different digit. Oh, make sure you have notebooks or copy and you're taking notes of important things, not everything. Sometimes you have to look at the screen all the time, so sometimes you get missed. So make sure you have notes of some important things. Worth of different digits inside a large number. So place value helps us understand value or the worth of different digits inside a large number. Okay, how about an example? A large number can be like this, 647, and then I take a space and 320, something like that. So it's not pronounced this way, or when I say that 647 space 320, it has another type of name. Like we can say 647,320. Okay. So how did I say that? It's the way the digits and their values, like, let me give you the thing. The way it is, I'll be using a blue one. Helps us understanding the value or the worth of different digits. Okay, so here, as we know about digits, 0 is a digit, 2 is a digit, 3 is a digit, 7 is a digit, 4, and also 6 is a digit. So different digits has different values or worth. Okay, like right now, 1 over here, the 0, it's kind of like the value of 0 is kind of, we can say, once. Okay, okay, can you see once? Yeah, a little bit larger now, you can see it.
Yes.
So the value of 2 is gonna be tens. So something like that. So these two things, ones and tens, mean the value over here. Like the value over here and the worth. They can, so inside a large number, it itself a large number. So that's what the sentence over in the beginning says, that place value helps us understand the value or the worth of different digits inside a large number. It itself is a large number. So we're gonna be learning today about this place value. The one that I gave you, the first example, 647, 320. Okay. So I'll be asking you till now in the beginning, the basic definition. Did you understand it, all of you, or some of you have some problems because I went too fast?
Sir, I could not understand because I was disconnected.
Oh, it's fine. If you're disconnected, I'll let you know this lesson is being recorded. So you can get the class after I finish today's class. Maybe you can go to the video and check out the missed part. But if you have like less data connection, don't worry about it. We're gonna give you handing out worksheets later. Okay, so I'll help you understand. So again, for you, I'll repeat. This is a large number. Okay. 647,320. How did I pronounce it? Because I know the value of these digits. So it says in the beginning, the place value helps us understand the value or the worth of different digits inside a large number. Okay, so that's what I said. That's it. You didn't miss any more than more things than that. So let me write the value of 3 over here. It's gonna be, can someone tell me the value of
100.
good? Yeah, the
100.
value of 3 is hundreds.
100.
Okay, since you know, some of you help me to determine the value of the 7 over here, or I'll tell you.
Thousands.
Thousands, very good.
Thousands.
Yeah, thousands. And what about the other two?
10,000.
Yeah, 10,000 and
Million.
no, 100,000 you can say.
100,000.
Yeah.
Okay, it's still in the thousands category. I'll tell you why. Give me a second. Let me write it. And let me do this. We add a 10,000 and then 100,000. Okay, I hope everything is clear for you now. You can write it down, this example, 647,320. So how did I tell it? That like, some of you can also pronounce it quite good, but if the number keeps on getting larger, it's gonna be a problem. We're gonna know about it a little bit later. So this is the place that we can say, okay, I don't use this, I will use this one. It's the value of here, it's called thousands. 1,000, or you can say that this is the value of this side. Like you can see I've differentiated this two with 3 numbers. Okay, a little bit in here. Okay. Okay, I cannot select 1,000 over. Yeah, there it is. Make it a little bit larger, and then these are like ones.
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
why you count it from right side?
Oh, that's how it's like the value gets larger. Like we have to count it from the right, like know it from the right, but pronounce it from the left. Like we start from 647,320. Okay, but it
It's
starts from the
okay.
small steps, like we say it in our local language like this. I know that you don't know the local language, but I'll still say it. Ekok, doshok, shotok, hajar, ojut, nijut. It's kind of like this. Maybe you in English it's like this: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. You get me now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Thank
So
sir.
you.
we have to start from the right, but when we have to say the words out loud, you have to start from left. I hope it's clear right now. And I'm happy that 14 of you showed up today. That's like the highest number that I got in 3 days. Only 4 of you are absent right now, but it's fine, I guess. No, like 4 or 5 students, I think. Okay. Let's continue. So I'll give you some more examples like this. So
Sir,
mhm.
what is this that you write on the number ones and thousand?
This one,
Yes.
ones and thousands. Yeah, I say I wrote it that. Okay, why I wrote it, I'll tell you. Okay, right now, listen, 647,320. Understand? Because this is the place of thousand and this is the place of ones. As I can be sure, if I make mistakes, some of you know it, please do share me. Okay, so as I know it, like this is the place of thousand and this is the place of ones, and from because it helps us, like each and every one, I'll give you another example like this, if I enlarge it like that, if somehow let me add another digit,
Okay.
keep losing it, like 567, something like that, or smaller, you can say I can delete one of it, delete two of it, okay, something like that. Let me come it here. So still, if I draw a thing over here, I have to draw three things, so it's still gonna be 1,000. Oh, sorry, not like this. It's gonna be 1,000,000, because we know after it comes the term of million, you know. So the number becomes 7,647,320. You see how the like the place value of the numbers are changing with new
100.
numbers. Yeah, so we can say, I give you an example, like the definition or the names of the things. First starts with ones. Okay, let me make it a little bit more. Then starts with tens, then hundreds, then thousands. Then we don't say like 10,000s and 100,000s. We don't add it like that. We add millions, then billions, and it keeps on going. So I'll just say etc. Okay. I hope you got it. So, and then if you get one from here, we can see ones, tens, and hundreds are in this circle, like this place. All three of it are here: ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, like ones, tens, hundred are all together in these three things, and we all can say here like one. It's in the one section, and then comes the thousand section itself. In the thousand section, you get thousands, 10,000, 100,000, like the thousand section, and then starts the million section. This is the million section. Okay, I will add it a little bit like this, and million. So I think still some of you is a little bit confused because of the way that I taught. So if you have any questions, students, you can ask me through the chat or right now here. Unmute yourself and just ask it.
No question, sir. It's clear.
Okay, so the
That's
whole
clear, sir.
again, we can say place value helps us understand the value, like the value or the worth. Okay, you can say worth here of different digits, 747, 7647 inside a large number, it itself a huge number. Imagine someone getting this amount of money getting paid, so he's gonna be like, oh, overwhelmed, I'm getting that much money. So that'll help him determine if it's in the million or in the thousands. Okay, so altogether, what can we say? Let me yeah, 600 wait 647,003.
And
Yes, tell me, whoever was telling me.
320.
20. Very good. Yeah, I'll just add and because there's a ending here. Or you cannot add 20 and, okay? You can also remove it. We kind of use in the way the international numbers are counted, we add like this, like a comma. You guys know what comma is, right? This one, so that it gets much easier to pronounce. I get a, maybe I will add a comma over here as well. A little bit down. Yeah, so they're aligned. So that's how the place values are determined, and it all together says this one, but I'll let it there so you can say, like, whoever wants to try, can you tell me like the whole number altogether how it's said?
It's, can I say so?
Sure, go ahead.
7,647,000 and 320.
Very good. Anyone else like to try? I'll give you a different number, okay? But you can still use the
Yes,
same.
yes, sir.
Wait, I'll give you a new number. Maybe you can say new number. 890, 560. What can I? Wait, let me. Oh, shit. Is it gonna be hard for you to say the things? But okay, you try again. Go ahead, whoever wanted to try. Can you start with the new number, or shall I go to the old one?
Can
No,
I
sir.
say so?
Yeah,
Yes, we can.
yeah. Just once start. Yeah. Tell me.
Okay. 890,000
Yes.
569.
Very good, Nuria. Yeah, you got it right. 890,569. 569. That's how you say it. So let me remove it. Whoever wants to try again, you can just try again with your copy. Like, what about I'll just give you some numbers right now. You try it out in your own copy. Okay. Let me remove some of the details because we don't need it. So let me go to a newer space. Or I have to remove some of it. Like, okay. Yeah, let me give you some new numbers so that you guys can try. Okay, this is a number, and then they're gonna be like this, and then there's gonna be don't rush, all of you, just like take it easy, slowly, and we're gonna be moving on to the next one. So let me add another one. This is the fifth one. Okay, I just got these numbers, just typing random numbers on my keyboard. So whoever wants to like pronounce it or just say the numbers, you can try. I would prefer newer students, whoever didn't try. Oh yeah,
Okay, sir.
Fatima, that's great. Like, yeah, upper your
Can I say, teacher?
Okay, sir.
okay, Fatima tries, and next time, like, raise a hand using the feature that Zoom has. Okay, that way I can understand who wants to go next. So Fatima wants to go first. Fatima, pick up a number. Which one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which number were you gonna say?
1.
1. Okay, this one. This is the
Yes.
hardest one. Okay, go
Okay.
ahead. Good luck.
456,866,903.
Can you say it again, please?
556,866,903.
Oh, you said 546. It's gonna be
Million?
456 million. Yeah, million. You're correct. 456,866,903.
903.
Very good. Thank you very much.
Thank
Okay, Camila, it's your turn. You can lower your hand and just say it, the number that you want to say.
Sir, may I?
Yeah, Rokia, go ahead.
It's me, Taiba. 56, sir.
Okay, this is 56. Yeah, thank you, Taiba. And then who wants to go? Rokia.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Rokia, go ahead.
789.
Again?
789.
Very good. You got it. And then
Can I say, sir?
Hamida, wait a little bit. The raised hands, I shall like to let them, okay? Yeah, you can go ahead after it. Zanab, are you here?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, you raised your hand.
4,000,
Yeah?
4,789,100.
Again.
Then
Mm-hmm.
4,789.
700.
Yes, 789.
Yeah, you got it. And I think Hamida, right? Hamida didn't raise the hands, but she wanted to try. Yeah, Hamida, go ahead. The last one.
183,890.
Terrific job, guys. All of you were correct. I'm so happy. Okay, let me remove this ones. So the way that it is taught, let me share a little bit PDF for you. The previous classes, I haven't ever shared any PDF. Okay. So because the PDFs are like books, and okay, I have Camila. Okay, lower hand. Okay, I just lowered the hand right now. Okay, the previous classes I never used the PDFs because those are kind of like taken from other resources or stuff, but it sometimes helps you understand. And some of the students sometimes have internet connection problem due to the placement and the distance learning, and it's hard for them to afford a good internet, so they cannot attend the classes, neither sometimes they cannot watch the video that I prepared for them later. So that's why they want a PDF. That's why I'm saying the value of the PDF right now here. So let me see if I got one PDF and I can find it for you. Let me see. Here, place value. Yeah, there's one. I found it. Let me copy the link and Control V. Yeah. Let me then share this screen instead. Can you see the tab?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Sir.
Okay. So this is kind of like
Yes, sir.
this is kind of PDF that I haven't read yet. I haven't read myself, but it has like a huge amount of way to determine what it is said. Like it's still this place value concept is still not from our reference books, like the one that is gonna be used for the Asian University for Women. I just got it on internet so that you can, some of you, if you like to start learning a little bit more or struggle, there are some small steps to determine how they started to learn like this. Let me see. Vocabulary and symbols. This is a new thing for us. Vocabulary and symbols. Like how digits are this, then values are ones and tens and ones, like that. 39 here, 3 tens and 9 ones. That's how they determine value. And then the place over here, ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, so let's get back to the whiteboard again. Let me break it down to you.
Could you send it for us?
Sure. After the class, I will send it. But remember, this is not your curriculum offers. This is something extensional or expanded. So as long as you gonna be sticking up to the video lectures that I'm providing you, it's fine. Or you can learn even more from here or Google yourself. So let me give the idea of, I changed the tab back to our old one, right? Can you see?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, may
Okay.
I ask a question?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
Do we have book for PAA class for math or no?
We somehow have soft copy. But when you are gonna be here, maybe you're gonna be provided with hard copy. And I myself still haven't have the chance to get to the soft copy, because sometimes if we ask to the senior lecturers, they don't have it. So we still have a book that I can recommend you. Shall I recommend it to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
let me do that. But it still doesn't have all the topics, because I listed all the topics like before. Like, let me give you the topics. The topic starts like this: number system, exponents and radicals, numeric expression. I gave it in the beginning of the class. You can find it in the video that I've provided for the first class, or I will give that later when you can get the soft copies, and I've been provided by the senior lecturers. Okay, so for now, let me give you the book name that they offer. There are 4 reference books they offer, but I personally use a book that okay, okay, let me give the recommended books by the for this course by the seniors before me. So after that, I'll tell you the book that I personally use: Algebra, Structure and Method, book 1. Authors, like the writers of this book:
Okay.
Richard G. Brown, Robert H. So, William, cool. And after that, okay, let me remove the smaller a. Yeah, I'll check like this. And then the next book is Algebra and Trigonometry. I haven't seen these books yet. So if someone of you would like to reference these books and buy it, you can, and let me know if you buy these books. And it's kind of much better if you learn from a book for later mathematics. It's going to help you also solve different type of problems and for future.
Sir,
Richard,
we don't have bookstore here.
yeah, that's what I know, but some of you want to know the reference books. That's why I'm just like typing it for some people here, students here. Okay. Dolciani. You don't have to get these books. You can still stick to the class or PDFs that I share, but you can still like learn from a book. That makes it the study completed, you know?
Yes.
And this is the second book. The first book is this. Okay, let me give you my book, and there are other 2 books. Shall I give you all the names of these books, or I can like prepare the names for it later and give you that? This is the first 2 books, and there are like 2 other books. They're said Algebra 1, Algebra 2. The first 2 books are book 1 and book 2. I gave you book 1 and book 2, and this is the personal book that I use. It's New Elementary. You're gonna get hang of it, I think, when you come to Asian University for women. Okay.
Okay.
Elementary mathematics syllabus D, and authors are Dr. Wong. So this is the one that I use. sometimes. And these are the recommended ones by the syllabus that I've seen in your curriculum, I guess. So yeah, I think you will get this book or buy this book eventually, or you can find it in the Asian University for Women library. They have it, and you can get like some things done, like make a PDF or take a picture if you still don't buy this book, because it's a huge book and it might cost a lot. So we're going to be sharing like this. Only some of the topics are in the curriculum. So yeah, I hope you got this and it answers your question. Okay.
Okay.
And
Yes, sir.
I'll be removing those things. Okay, shall I remove this?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
thank you very much. Let's move on to the next, the one that we just said, vocabulary and symbols. It's the vocabulary and symbol for the place values. Okay, quick question to all of you. Like, am I going too fast? You're having trouble understanding, or shall I make it much easier?
No,
No,
sir.
sir, it's
Okay.
okay.
sir, I think it's okay.
Okay, thank you very much. I get a raised hand, Fatima. Yes, Fatima, say.
Okay, so sorry for disturbing the class. Saima messaged me want from you to later in the class because she disconnected and want to join again.
Who?
Thank you.
Wait.
Saima Rahimi.
Saima Rahimi. Okay. Yeah, it's fine. I already gave
Yes.
her a present, so she left. It's fine. It's okay. She can join
Okay,
the
thank
recorded class later. That'll send you.
okay,
And
thank
we have with ourselves more kind of 55 minutes. No, not 55, 45 minutes. Oh, Saima joined back again. And there's a new student, I think. So the vocabulary and symbol. As there are three things: digit, value, and place. Digit, value, and place. Okay. By digit, you know what you mean. Like for digit, can you give me the examples of digits? Anyone?
0 to
0.
9.
Very good. That's it. That's enough. Yeah. 0 to 9.
9.
And then there are value. Like, okay, let me give an example before, like the earlier one, 647,320. So as I broke it down to you before, like the value of this 0, what is it?
1.
It is
Tens.
once.
And what is the value of this?
Tens.
And
10.
correct. So as you can see, I said, what is the value of this digit? And you said once. What is the value of this digit? And you said tens. So there goes the value. You see? So the value are named as ones, okay, or tens or hundreds, something like that. And then we have place. Okay, place are the position of the number. Like for this, okay, for it's still are said like ones, tens, hundreds, something like that. It still say that. What is the difference between value and place? The value is like this. If I get 32 from here, from this digit, and I write it down, 32. And what do we get? Like 3 tens to ones. You can say it like that. And you can multiply this with 10, because I say 10 plus, where it is, plus 2 ones equals to 30.
32.
So the thing is, as you can see, these two, these are called the values, like 3 times 2 ones. sometimes when we actually started learning mathematics in the beginning, like elementary stages, like you can see kids saying that 0 1s, 2 10s, 3 300s. You can see like that. So that's how, like this said, 3 10s, 2 1s, 32, something like that. In our local language, we say tin doshok, dui ekok, 32. And maybe you have other type of way to describe it in Afghani, like Pashto, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I don't understand it. I'm so sorry. And if I make mistakes, my apologies. How do you say it?
You're right, sir.
Yes, you do.
سه ده تایی دو
Ah.
یکی. We call it like this.
Oh, can you do it again?
سه ده تایی دو یکی.
Wow, that sounds good. Good to know. So it's like 3 10s, 2 1s. These are called the value. And then the places like this, we know, like this is a place of 1,000. This is a place of 1. So you get this idea, place. Okay. And then some other vocabulary and symbols that you're gonna need for this. Let me remove this once before. Mhm. Okay, these are called, as it's in the written in the PDF, place value. I'm looking at the PDF a little bit and then coming back to this tab, and I'm just sharing it because it's important, vocabulary and symbols. After this class, I'll be sharing the huge PDF with all of you. So some of you will be getting a better idea of place values than me. So it's fine. Standard value and expanded notation. These are kind of new term for me. So I'm learning and teaching, something like that. And okay, let me tell you about place value. Here it says 42,103.2 is, okay, there's example. I will copy it and send it over here. Control V. Yeah, I got it from the PDF. The place value, it says, like there's a, oh, anyone would like to say what type of number is it? Till dot. You don't have to say this. This is, anyone, can you tell me how it's pronounced, this digit?
42,000. Oh.
Yeah, go ahead.
Two, yeah. 42,103.
42,103.
Yeah.
Correct. So 42,103. So here 2 is in the thousands. So its place value is 2000. Correct. That's called place value. The whole place value that we are learning in the number system, the place value of 2 here is called 1000. That's why you multiply 2 with 1000. Okay, you get 2000. So let me remove this one. And did you understand it? Like the place value here?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Then let me remove it. And then the next example says standard notation, writing a number with 1 digit in each place value. It's called 42,103. It's same as before. I just copied the thing. Like now we're learning what standard value is. Like standardly, the way that you said, the value of 3, 2, 0, 1, 4. So what do we say? 42,103. It's called the standard value. That's how it's written. So there is no 2,000. You don't have to make 2,000 to express the standard value of it. You just have to say 3 is in ones place, 2 is in thousands place, 1 is in hundreds place, 0 is in tens place, and 4 is in 10,000.
10,000.
10,000 place, correct. You guys are doing great in place value. Okay, then let me remove this example as well. And we have expanded notation. What does it say in the book? It says this. Let me copy it and then Control V. This is the expanded notation. That's how you write. Okay, let me get that number again. 42103. Right? Is that the number? Let me check.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
I missed something here. It's a comma.
Comma.
Yeah, we don't have always write a comma in the notebook. So if you don't write down a comma, it's fine. The comma is for easy. It makes easier. So every comma comes after 3 digits, like ones, tens, hundreds, and then you're gonna differentiate this comma. You don't start from here. If you start from here, you're gonna get like 1, 2, 3. Then you make a comma over here, and the whole pronunciation is wrong. Understand? So you start from the right, but you pronounce it from the left. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
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 Yes, sir.
So the expanded notation over here, expanded notation says the place value of 40,000, because it multiplied with 4 times. Let me add it. There's a whole new line over here that has been missing. Let me write it. As the place value of 4 is, tell me.
10,000.
Yes, the place value of 4 is 10,000. And then
10,000.
tell me the value of
10,000.
place value of 2.
1,000.
2,000.
Correct.
1,000.
Then the place value of 1,
100.
100.
100.
100. And the place value of 0,
3.
Tens.
tens. Correct.
10.
You multiply 0 with something, you get 0, but it's still fine because we still have to write it. And the place value of 1, sorry,
One.
sorry, the
One.
place value of 3, 1.
1.
1.
So if you write it like this, you break it down 4 times 10,000, 2 times 1,000, 1 times 100, 0 times 10, 3, you get this 40,000 plus 2,000 plus 10 plus 3. This is called the expanded notation, okay? Expanded or expanded. I'm not sure how it's like. So yeah, did you understand? Like all the vocabulary and symbols that we learned today?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.
No, sir.
Yeah, I guess this is done, so I'll be removing these things. Mhm. So let's see what the PDF offers us more. Do you know about the vocabulary? You have to make it more stronger to know better English. Oh yeah, I haven't seen Camila sending me a text message in the chat. My internet connection not good. Can I write, sir? Sure, Camila, you can write. 400, 700, 80, 90, 99. Good. Thanks for participating in the class, all of you. Okay, I have a raised hand. Fatima, go ahead.
Sir, I have a question. What's the difference between the place value and also the standard value?
Place value is like this. You add the number again, 4,000. Was it like that? 103, right? This is the standard notation. Okay.
Okay.
So sorry, that was like a 42,000. I forgot. That's correct now. So the standard notation, it's 42,000. And the place value is like this. You pick a digit. Come on, pick a digit.
For example, 1.
1. So
Okay.
100. So this is the place value of 1.
Okay, sir.
So
I got it now. Thank you so
So
much.
the thing is, yeah, welcome. So thank you for asking me the question. In this vocabulary and symbols, we get to know about the place value of 1. Its place value is 100. And the place value of 4 is 10,000.
4,000.
Yeah,
10,000, yes.
yeah. You can say 40,000 as well. You can write like this. 40,000. You can also like this. You get a place value, but the
40,000, yeah. Okay.
whole number standard notation is 42,103. And what are we learning here? We're learning the place values. So that's how you write, like the place value of 7 is million, the place value of this 3 are 1,000, these 3 are 1. And with the understanding of place value, you're gonna be able to name them. The place value helps us understand value or worth of different digits inside a large number. Camila, yeah, I'm confused about place value. So just remember this one, forget the old ones or the things that I taught you right now. Just remember place value helps us understand the value of these digits. Like the value of this digit is million. The value of this digit is 10,000. Sorry, 100,000. The value of 4 is 100,000. The value of 7 is 1,000. The value of 3 is 100. Camila, do you understand now? I think still you have doubts. The place value of 0 is ones. The place value of 2 is tens. Okay, I understand. Anyone else? Did you have the same question as Camila?
No, sir.
Okay. Camilla, it's fine. Like I also have the same doubts as you. But I have the idea before the class. I read about it, so I know about it. So that's why. Thank you for asking me the question. So the place value will help us understand the worth of different digits, as it says in the definition. So the place value of these digits, again, I'm saying, is ones, tens, hundreds. So that's how we determine. And after that, all the place values, we can write it as like this: 7,647,320. Okay. And then let's see, what do we have? We can do some worksheets today. Let me see, what else do we have for the worksheet? This one, this one. Okay, let us solve a small worksheet or a big one. There are two. I will get both of them. So copy it. You cannot see the screen, I think. Can you? Like I'm using a
Then we can.
you
see.
can? Oh, the whole screen?
Yeah.
Or the just Microsoft whiteboard?
No, sir. The whole screen.
Really?
I
Oh
can
my
see a
God.
Microsoft whiteboard.
Now, yeah,
Yes.
only Microsoft whiteboard shall be, because I'm sharing
Yes.
that tab, I think. I'm getting the worksheet for you right now. I just like will share it after this. Control V, this one. Yeah. This worksheets that I collected are from internet. Let me share it to you now. You can see. Where is it? Screen, then place value worksheet and PDF. This one. Do you see this place value through hundreds?
Yes, sir.
Now, this is a worksheet that I collected from internet. You can see they have used, can I add and draw? Yeah, I can. This is coming in handy, this tool. This is a Microsoft Edge browser that I'm using, okay? So if you ever sometimes if you some of you use laptop to join, or even mobile phones. I think the Android mobile phones still have the Microsoft Edge browser, or the desktop. You can add like this, something like this. If you have a name, you can add Tamhid, like my name is Tamhid, you can write like this. And also, sorry, let me complete it. I will remove it again. Wait. Erase. Okay. You can like write like this, and you can add text like this. Okay. So that's why it's convenient sometimes. That I told you guys, I think. Where's the reverse button? I don't see it. Okay, never mind. Let me remove this. What is this button though? How do I remove this? Can someone help me? Save.
As I think it's a text, just click on that.
Okay, just click on. Oh, thank you. There you
You're
go.
welcome, sir.
You see, I sometimes forget the hang of it, how it's done. Okay, let's start this one, or there's another one. Okay, let me see. Oh, yeah, this one has like counting on twos, threes. This is, yeah. Okay, as we learned, do you see this? Number, words, expanded form, and picture.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This one's easier, and it's kind of like we did it when we were younger, and somehow we forgot, and we get to learn it again. So we're getting deja vu, you can say. So here, the number 12, you can write in words 1 tens, 2 ones, and the expanded form is like this.
10 plus 2.
Very good. Whoever did it, Simon?
1 plus
Taiba.
2.
Taiba, very good. Thank you very much. 2 plus equals to
12.
12. So you get this. And the picture is first box defines one, 2, like 2. And then this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
10.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is how the picture is. This is a 10 and this is a 2. The block diagrams. Can someone solve this one?
1 to
1 10
And this one?
10
10
plus
plus 8
Plus 8.
8.
10
equals to
plus
18.
18.
8.
Thank you. And what about the blocks? We're not gonna.
There's no 10, 1.
Okay.
No,
very good.
that's right.
Oh, like this one. Yeah, you guys know. Like, so we make a block. I'm really bad at it. So we make 10. Okay. And then we get ones. So this is our individual boxes.
There are not
3.
10, I think 2.
What?
No,
Yeah, go ahead. Tell me.
that is right, sir. I understand right now.
The blocks are like this. These are ones. Okay. Like this. 8 ones. 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones and 1 tens. This is a whole block is tens. 1, 2,
Yeah.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
10.
10. So that's how the block diagram they said it. Okay. 1 tens and 8 ones. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then what about this is this is
22.
this is 22.
22.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
So
Yes.
this is 22. And tell me this one.
2
2
tens,
tens and 2 ones.
2 ones.
Very good. Wow, you guys are doing so terrific. I'm so
20
proud.
plus
2.
Plus 2.
22.
22. Yeah.
Correct. And the block diagram says this is 1 10, this is another 10, this is 1 2, sorry, 1 1, this is 1 1. So in whole, this is 2, and this is 10, and also this is 10.
Sir,
Mhm.
10 plus 10 plus 2,
That
not
is 20 plus 2, sir.
20.
Yeah, I wanted
Yeah,
to
that's
write
true. That's
20,
true.
but somehow it looks like 10. This one also looks like 1.
That is right, sir.
It's okay, sir.
Yeah, it's like using the mouse to draw. So that's why I'm struggling. Okay. And then what about it? Tell me.
23.
23.
23, sir.
23, correct. And tell me, 2
Two
tens,
tens
Ten,
and
3
3.
1s.
3 ones,
31.
correct. 2,
20
20
plus
plus
3 equals
3.
23.
I think I
3.
shall give you this PDF as well for the worksheet. It's like a
Yeah.
small, and you can see like the beginning, it's like the childish. So
Yes,
here are
sir.
2 maths, number and place value workbook. So you can solve it. Oh, it's gonna take a long time. So you don't have any deadline, anything. You just can like write it or try it out on your own using. If you have a printer, you can print it out, solve it, and scan it and send it. Or you can use Edge browser like this and then save it here and send me that through email. So I'll be taking notes to send this thing back to you, okay, after the class. And
Okay, sir.
let me see how much time do we have. We have like 17 minutes. I don't want to study anymore. Oh. And what about you? Who wants to study more?
Sir, it's fine for today.
Yeah, thank you very much. Okay, let me share you the whiteboard. Okay, Microsoft whiteboard. So let me take a review of what we have learned today. And after that, we're gonna talk about the old 2 classes, what we learned before displays values. And after that, I'm gonna taking attendance, and then you're free to go do whatever you want. Okay, today, in the beginning, let me give you a red and also a text. So let me break it down. We learned about place values. Okay. And then we get to know this huge number, 647,000, right? Yeah, 320. And that's how it was told. And then we get to know about the place values, like how is there pronounced ones, tens, dot, 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 hundreds, thousands, then millions, billions, etc. Okay. And then we get to know about some examples, and I gave you 5 examples. All of you did great. Okay, Fatima says, sir, Kamila Ahmadi can join again, and she excuses about it. Okay, it's fine, don't worry about it. I saw you guys were here, and as I said before, this is recorded, so if you miss something, you can get back it later. One stance, and then we get to know about 5 examples, and you did great. And then we get to know about, if I can remember, a PDF from internet, and it had like this, what like some vocabulary and symbols. And then we went to solve the worksheet in the last thing. So this is all the things that we did today. If you keep diary, like we used to keep diary in school and colleges, and what have we learned today? We have learned this place values, this number, how to pronounce it. It's said like this one, 7,600,000. Oh no, it's not 7 million. Let me delete some of it. 647,320. That's how it says. Okay. So let me delete it. No, just keep it on the upside. So then we get to know about one stance, the place values. Then we gave 5 examples. Then we got a PDF which had vocabulary and symbols. We learned about it, and we solved the worksheet. Not whole of it. I will give it for you in the email. You don't have to solve it, okay? Because it's a huge one. I will give it to you so that you can take it as a reference. I will not add it in the Google Classroom. I will not do that, okay? It's not any assignment. And
Okay,
the
sir.
practice worksheet that you last day, let's talk about last day, what we have learned. Some of you had internet connection problem too much. And for that, we learned like how to solve this sheet, okay, last day. And I also gave you a, I also gave you a worksheet, you remember?
Yes.
That you had to, some of you turned in, some of you didn't. Take your time, there's no deadline. But if you make mistakes, I will have to go through again, like what is the difference between rational and irrational numbers, okay? If you have problems, please feel free to ask me in the classes or even in the email or WhatsApp, please. Okay, let's use WhatsApp for communication, and let's use Google Classroom and email for your problems. Like you email me whenever you have connection problems, or like, oh sir, I couldn't attend, so I'll give you an excused absence. It's actually counts as like almost present. Okay, don't worry about if you have trouble connecting. I know about it. So let's go back, and what we learned before that, we learned before the number system, as you remember, right?
Yes, it
This
was very
one.
hard.
Oh yeah, it was very hard. Oh, I heard it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of like huge thing. But yes, I think Bibi Khadija, are you here?
Here, sir.
Okay, Bibi Khadija, did you had trouble understanding? I'm so sorry, I didn't know that some of you had trouble understanding. Okay, please tell me in emails if you have problems. I will try my best to break it down step by step and give you some more worksheets so that you can have idea about it. I will also share a PDF of this number system so that you can study, even though you don't have to download or watch my video. You can just study the whole PDF, the segment of learning, and then you can say that, oh yeah, thumbs up, I learned it all. So okay, this is the all time we had understanding and reviewing the, and today is our third class and I have the highest participants. I'm so happy. Okay, let's go here and just, I'm gonna stop sharing the screen. Let me ask you the attendance again, and we are free to go. If someone of you got the attendance, you can leave, and some more students, whoever came in the end of the class, I will ask you again. Only the ones that didn't got the present before. Bas Rezai, are you here? Okay, Bas is not here. Do you know her? Any one of you?
Basma.
Yes, I know her, but she has some internet problem today. Because of that, she couldn't come.
Okay. Is she in the WhatsApp group?
Yes, she
Yes.
is.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, I'll give her excuse at time. Basira Yusufi, is she here? No. Okay. Do you know, anyone know about Basira Yusufi? Okay.
No,
What about, is she in the WhatsApp group?
I don't know,
I
sir.
don't know about her.
Okay, okay. I have to find her about her, okay? And then Habiba Khashai. Anyone know about her?
No, sir.
Okay. Then, okay, she has and then Jamila Osian. Does anyone know her?
Habiba Khashai is in the WhatsApp group. She's in the group, but I don't know why she couldn't come.
Oh, thank you very much for letting me know. Then what about Jamila Osian? Do you, anyone know her? Okay. Is she in the WhatsApp group?
No,
Fatima?
she isn't.
Okay. Okay. And then Rahima Hashimi?
I know her, sir.
Okay. She is in the WhatsApp group, right?
Yes, she is.
Yes, she is.
Okay, thank you. So this is all the attendance that I had to take. I think I will just ask you again. Bibi is here. Bibi Khadija is here. Fatima is present. Fazila, then Hamida, Kamila, Nuria, Rokia, Saima, Sumaya, Suraya, Taiba, Zainab, Zakia. Thank you very much, all of you, for joining today. I'll be ending the meeting.
Thank you so much, sir.
And you guys have a great day.
Thank you,
Okay?
sir.
And sometimes I
Thank
feel
you,
like I
sir.
have to scare you more so that you can like, what is it called, study more. But I don't think that as long as you're doing great and you're learning, the learning can be fun as well. Okay, see you.
Okay, sir.
I'm gonna be stopping